Hey everybody, Cam coming to you live on the Lewiston Levee Bypass. Today is day 4 of the clean sweep / trash pickup. Today we picked up 2 bags here. Beep. Everything's being properly disposed of. This week I chose to clean between the train bridge on the Levee Bypass in Lewiston to Valley Car Sales. We've picked about 10 to 12 bags of trash along with some larger items. Everything has been properly disposed of. Let's be better. We can do better. We can grow together. So that being said, this week, every morning I've gone out and been picking up trash, and it's actually been quite fun and relaxing. So I encourage you, when you're out and about, carry a bag with you. You see something, pick it up. Yeah, we all have the mindset or been told, you didn't do that, not my responsibility. So-and-so didn't pick it up. Dude, don't worry about that. Be better, okay? Peace. Stay tuned for more content.